Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today topic now about one girl. One man cry come out. He say his wife go jogodo with another man, and a friend he go jogodo with. I dey lis ten to this Mommy Yori, one of Paris. I dey lis ten to her now. Yeah, when the man they cry, they say he want payment himself. He no fit bear this one. He no go fit bear am. Say he woman go jogodo with his friend. And he love his wife so much. He love am. He say so he don't know the reason why his wife go do am. I bet the hammer his wife way. I bet the jogo do am well, because I go play some record the moon and listing. I can't be surprised. Say, what to go make this woman do this kind of thing? The woman they cry. They say one payment himself, or say the man not let her rest for house. It's when she take confess to the man. Now she even confess to the man, So she they get pains inside her. Say since when take confess to the man they use them against her now. But I can't the reason. You don't go day easy for the man. There is no one going to go take day easy. You even reason that kind of thing, go jogodo with your friend. Your friend now with the talk, not be another person. They even they ask her how the thing take start. He said the man dey bed. He called his friend come call her for bed. Say me he come. Now you just go the jogodo the boy for sitting room. Then the husband dey inside bed. I can't say who does that? Who does that? Where the one for the happen, my people? Some kind of thing wey person dey hear sometimes they shocktalize me. If they shocktalize me like seriously, I would be surprised. Say, now this one, this thing for the happen, been another word. Like seriously, who does that? You go jogodo with your husband friend. You say you don't know. Say you don't know. You for not tell them. Now they use that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is easy. He said na 4 years. Then now where the thing take happen. Even though na 100 years, there is no way the man until they remember. Why you go even go do that kind of thing to your husband? I hate women that cheat on their husband. I don't like them at all. Maybe they not they play. Any woman where they do that kind of thing to your husband. If marriage try you leave them. Then say you can't go they cheat on her. Who does that? Who does that, my people? More than listening to her voice.
I can't tell you where your husband.
Now she they cry so.
Why you go take medicine now?
He said the man say want take medicine.
I tell you said that pikin now you because just they follow up class one
what to?
That time. Because just they follow up class your wife now you be enemy of progress. Yes. Your friend will come fuck your wife now you be devil. And now okay.
He tell me, say that my wife he said my wife they beg and make call the fuck her.
Not the year.
Not lie. Your friend tell you say that your wife go the beg and make call the fuck her for house. Hello, my brother. Hello. Where your friend? Wait, your friend not back there with you.
She delete am. They call her.
She delete am.
She call her before. She dey call her. She dey call her. The man tell me. I called the man yesterday. As he called the man today, he tell me say that my wife they beg and me call the fucker.
Oh the lad.
One the year.
Why your friend go talk this kind of thing? Your wife talk her yesterday say wait. Your my sister. So be you say now only 2 times your husband friend don't fuck you. Now only 2 times, Abi. Yes. Why you go why you go talk and say you go the beg and me call they fuck you every time. And my brother, that your friend are evil. Give me your friend number. You get the number, send the number, come here, Nana. Make a call her by myself. Say your friend number come.
I will find them again.
Find her.
Why you delete her?
Find her.
He
My
said-
useless friend.
He saying that delete the friend number. He don't delete her. Why you go delete her? If you not get something to hide, why you delete the boy number? Una go listen to all my people. More than they
Friend,
listen.
now you know what
I
you
don't
just
know.
like. Oh, gee.
I don't know. They say they kill me, they kill me. I love my wife too much. I love her too much, my wife. I love her too much. Every month, that's the time I look to her parents. Every month, that's the
Now
time
the
I
way
look to her
you look
parents.
the marsh.
Every month, that's the time I look to her parents. I love her so much. I don't know what did I do when she called to do this kind of thing to me. I don't know. Man, people tell me, I don't marry a dope person. I said, no, this one, the different woman.
Okay.
I don't know, say, she they kill me, they go. My people tell me, say, I don't marry a dope. I marry a dope.
My brother, not be all Edo, na it be like that. Not be all Edo women, I be like that, my brother. This one where they say your people say me you no marry Edo. Me na Edo, I dey my husband house. I not go feel go from my husband house. Say I want go do another man. God forbid, I reject that one from my body in the name of Jesus. You know? So this your woman, na just igbe agia no go. You just dey her body. She don already first spoil before. Because I never see where a woman go marry. You go say na another person, John Thomas, na him come dey high. He don already dey high before. This your wife.
Wait, your husband friend, you not still go call him again after one don't settle the matter yesterday. Why would they do this kind of thing now?
For my last kid, he say my wife call her. So I say he don't get belly for him. Oh.
The year.
I want to do.
Even the pregnancy, when the woman get belle, you can't go tell the guy. Even the guy, when I go hear a voice, you can't go tell the guy, say, in get belle. Why you go tell the husband friend first, before you can't tell your own husband? So command there. That pikin, either they go do DNA test to know whether na the man really born that pikin. This is your husband when he follow theirs. Because for me, my mind they tell me, say not be your husband get that pikin. And they understand.
Do this pikin when I show you, send the pictures for you yesterday. Na mama name na give her. I love the pikin too much.
Okay.
I don't know say na another person born the pikin. The man tell me say na him get the pikin.
Not my demand, not be him get her.
How you go say no, say not be him get am?
Oh.
They'll go do test for this pikin. They
Not
must
be
go
him
do
get the
test for this
pikin. That
pikin.
pikin na your pikin.
There's no two ways
Maybe
about that
no
one
come
at
destroy
all.
this beautiful marriage. Oh, see how people they wicked. God, why? God, why?
Oh, thank you. Mommy, thank you.
God, why?
Mommy, thank
Why people are
you.
so wicked like this?
Mommy, thank you.
Why? That's the
Mommy,
way
thank
girls
you.
get children. My friend be like
He
this.
don't get
Why?
anything. He don't get anything. That means they feed her. The boy, if you work over the money, if they come my house, that means go get, my wife will cook food.
That
When
your
go
friend,
eat
na evil.
in the
Okay.
night, now my wife will cook.
More now, dey careful for
Yeah.
if you know the kind of wife where you marry, I beg, dey careful for your friends where you go dey carry come house. Because this one another lesson again. Your friend dey come your house, come dey wear boxers. Your husband go, your wife go dey look the boxers. They look how it be. You know, you go from there, they look the guy John Thomas. So more now, dey careful. See this one. I say the guy go come the house, eat everything. You know, say that his wife, 12 they don't even they do something together. Wanna listen?
Aye,
If they fuck my wife, if I come out, go store. If I go supermarket, my wife come say, Daddy, where you dey? You know they call house. Where you don't they call house? You don't near
because
house.
you want know.
Now you want to know whether I don't reach out.
Okay.
Make no call cash there.
You dey hear? He say when Nino go dey house, he say the wife go dey call am. Where you dey? Where you dey, sweetheart? Where you dey? Him go dey tell am say I dey come, I dey outside. He wan know whether the man don dey come out so that make him with him friend quick jogodo their self before the man go come back. Like seriously, this woman you be igbe agia wey you be part two no dey.
He go dey call me. You don't restore. You don't do this. You don't do that. Make I no call cash there. Are you hearing me?
Okay, your wife go dey control you. If you go out, just to okay.
Like she was saying, she need this, need that for store. Make her go. I will go. I will go as a foolish man. I will go.
I want only know what I don't
Na lie. He want know whether the man, he want know whether the man don dey near, so that make him with his friend quick jogo do themselves quick kill down. Maybe they quick do fast before the husband go come back. Now make it they always ask am, either they come house where you dey. But some women sha, if marriage don grow now, who they say una mona go enter? Who they say una mona go enter? You go enter finish now. You come begin the one they jogo do different men they go. Hey, yeah, my high. Wanna listen?
Control me.
I'm not going to call you for food.
You dey control me, but you dey control me.
Yeah.
I know whether the man don't call, whether the man dey fuck you. Where don't call catch us.
Now the way you even look the man, because if na some men, you not supposed even they talk again. You not supposed even they ask again at all. Now the way you look the man, because if na my brother self they even move like this, now they see they talk all those kind of things. Better slap when I go land that for face. Say, what did they worry you? Your woman don't go jogo do your friend. You see they get mad, they talk there, they say, is it in myself now even the sharp pass? Like seriously? I don't understand.
Hello, my brother. You see, I say you give me respect yesterday. You call me, I advise you. You send me your daughter.
Wait, so more than listening to they can't call the guy. Because I'm not going to make the video too long. Because if it's too long, now you can't. If it's too long, the guy be. Make I play where. Wanna wait to. I'll play where the guy for talk. That is the guy where the husband friend will go do the woman. So I go play where for talk. You know, when I go listen to what he talk. Where for say you know what to come over. You know, know what to come over. And if you see the way the guy say they talk, I say not the way they see the man. They look the man like a mugre. Now they make them they do what they do because you go jogo do another person. You will see get mad when you take the talk. Are you kidding me right now? Like seriously? And the way you look the man, the way you really look the man. Now they make you they do anything what you they do because I'm not sure. You go jogo do another person. You see they get mad when you see they talk, they say, they're not just say. Now the way they look the man, they look the man like Mumusha. Because if you don't look person like Mumu, I don't see reason. We go make you go they do. We go make you do that kind of thing. You know? When I just listen, my people. When I go listen to the guy here.
Who tell you say this thing happen between me and your woman?
That is the guy who the husband friend.
This is a woman. So the woman like tell me say yeah, she don't tell her what thing happen. So me myself, I got to like say okay, fine, this thing happen, but a mistake. A mistake, now it happen. You understand? Na mistake if this thing happen because me myself I don't believe I not be that kind of person who live that kind of life. And the woman I don't see her that kind of person.
The woman say no know what to come over you don't know what to come over you. So na devil work. Na so that the person.
You understand?
Devil work.
So when this the thing happen, I expect the man, yeah, this thing happen now, so it take happen now, so it take happen now. But I did sorry. I tell the man say if you notice doing that. Me, I stop to the call your place. You don't know the reason why I stop to the call your place.
Yeah, you stop to the come because you don't want to continue again to the job with the woman. You don't tire. You don't realize say what they do so na bad thing that make you can't stop because if they do it to your own wife, you not go like them too.
He asked me, I call my friend, why you know they call my friend? I said, maybe I work, could I make up, but I avoid this thing, they go on. You understand? Me, I just withdraw because I know that thing I do continue. I withdraw myself because I know they live that kind of life.
But you not tell your friend, my brother, the list.
I never. How I will come out, tell and say, let me get. I only tell and say, see when this thing happen because I don't know. Me, I dey confused. I don't know what they don't talk before this thing come outside. You understand? So now the man, when the man talk, I feel like okay, when this thing happen, she later come tell me say she get belly. Yes, she tell me say she get belly.
The year, oh, when the year, you can't go tell the guy, the husband friend now say she get belly. Una the year.
So for woman to come to tell me say she get belly. So I was like, oh, you get belly for me, or I know even because the thing they sound somehow, it sounds like a dream. You get belly, I know.
Excuse me.
The way she take talk and she like the tell me say na me give her belly.
Na joke it be. Na joke. That pikin not be you get her. Nah, the pikin not
be you. Me no understand this woman. It's not a joke.
Okay. You say oh God.
Even though it's not say that you get pikin, that man must go do test.
I tell the man okay, if your mind no accept, you go do test. Me, I know they can't drag any pikin with you.
Even though you drag or you not drag, that man must go find out if now he gets that pikin.
I tell you.
The way you just talk and so. I want another verse call just enter.
You know they see the time he say pikin. I say
oh.
Why? Because nothing concern pikin. Why they ask me your own pikin? You dey tell me say let me get pikin. I say how go take get pikin? I say pikin na take pikin.
Okay, you dey hear am now. Wait, say you want?
They insist say as far as me and do that thing, and she tell me say na pikin na my wife. I say oga, no be me get, na you get. The man like they force me. It's like say they force me, make I accept say yes, na me. I don't even know say the man don't carry this matter reach here. I beg I say okay, maybe this matter just end as we talk am. Finish like that.
The other
He tell me say oh, he no go tell, say he no go carry go out. I'm not knowing say he don't even carry reach that place.
You know what you did talk.
What kind of talk is that one? How me go come to that kind of thing? How? Yeah, man. No verse. You know, say me like you get a lot of things. Where we say if I talk now, you wanna push me. I know just one thing. They not talk good that side.
Una the year.
If I talk now, the thing now will come.
It gets some kind of things way in for talk, but since they not talk go that side, you know go come talk. Me just reserve all those ones. Because he knows say the woman they lie. Now the year matter.
So me, I don't make a no talk. You understand? Because now they only ask me, man only ask me whether this thing when your wife something you can do with you. I say yes, but my mistake. I did sorry. I know expect anything will come out after 4 years or 5 years. To show you, say me, I know they live that kind of life. I avoid, I run, I know they call your place again. I just withdraw myself that time. The man tell me, say, yeah, in notice. Say, he get time when I start to they come. He come, they tell me, say, why I know they come again.
So, my people, and so the matter just reached for today. So, na year matter. There's a way you never see, you never walk reach there. Waiting man never see you, you never walk reach there. That's why I talk and reach today. So anything you think about this video, may you leave your comment for the comment section. What did this man do? and wetin this a woman do na good thing or na bad thing? Because people wey go watch this video, I hope say some go don marry inside. More na look am more. If a married woman supposed to go jogodo another man, and I go leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Run and smash the notification and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way. Bye.